I'm going to show you how angry Google's going to be when I take his toy. Look everyone. I'm going to take Google's toy. And he's going to follow me angrily. He's going to follow me to the kitchen. I'm so scared. What should I do? Here, come, Google. Hurry up. Come on. Yeah. Here. He loves his toy. And we are friends, and we always play this game. And he is kind of strong. And he's not letting me take it. What shall I do now? Tell me. Tell me what to do. Hurry. Tell me.
Oh my God.
Why is no one helping me?
Can you let me
Why do I
take
have to
it?
do it all by myself? Oh, I almost got it. I'm almost gonna get it. I was so close. Yes, I got it. Aww. Oh. Yes, I got it. Yay. Yay.
No.
I'm so happy. I'm going to take it back.
Oh, it's beating so fast.
Okay?
Yep.
Happy, Google, you can play with it.
Can I have it back?
This is his favorite toy.